Salam, salam. This is Unity, and I'm here to do a Unity moment. So, showed y'all these in the haul. So, I'm going to do some swatches on the FolkArt dots. So, when I did this video, I thought these was the only colors, but they do sell these single. And I did see pink, purple, black. I add other pictures up on the screen of them. So it's more colors. Let's open these, y'all, and then we're going to do some swatches. Let me see what's going on. Okay, well, I done took everything up. Oh, okay. So this is how you got to open it. This is the red. So I got the little tape around here like that. It's really secure. I'm going to open all these and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to keep these right here because I'm going to put the seal back on once I'm done. Keep it a little more fresher. I don't think I seen these in a set like this, but I'll make sure. Well, I'll put the links to it. I also put the links to it on Amazon. All right. So let's do some swatches. And y'all know we're going to make some earrings. We'll do something a little cute. I grabbed one of these. I grabbed this one. But I just thinking that's the same size. The link to these are in the description box. We'll just get a clean, fresh batch. I'm gonna do this. I was finna do another pair, but y'all know I got so much to do, so I'm gonna just go on and do this pair. All right, so we'll move these over here. And the first color we're gonna swatch is, but you can see all the colors right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all might can't. I might have pulled it in. This is the Brilliant Blue, which is one of my favorite colors with FolkArt paints. Brilliant, well, ultramarine. Brilliant ultramarine is one of my favorites. True blue. I don't know what I'm finna create, so let me just do a little swatch. Okay. All right. I like the way the smoothness of how it came out. Let's do something a little different over here. Okay. I like this, y'all. So far. Gotta guide it a little bit better. So we're gonna use the Summer Sun. I like that. It's bleeding a little bit, so you might want to prime the wood if you're gonna use wood. Now you could use it on a couple of things. It says shake well. I didn't shake it. Let me shake this one, y'all. Okay, let me see. But this is an indoor. It's non-toxic, and you can use it on indoor, outdoor. And let air dry for an hour. Place in the, okay, you could place this in a cold oven and heat to 350 and bake. Oh, so you could, I guess if you're doing it with like clay or whatever, ceramic or something, you could bake it. So let's try this one. Oh, that color is beautiful. Y'all see how bright these colors is? Okay, let's do a little something different with the next one. All right, so that is the Summer Sun. Then we're gonna go to the red. Now with shaking it, you can't tell if you shake it. You shaking it, but you won't feel it. All right. So this is Red Ribbon. So I'm gonna go in like this right here. Okay, red ribbon. Okay, girl. What we gonna do over here? You could literally paint like this with it. It comes out a little thick. That is a little more thicker than I would think it would be. But the colors is popping. I'm gonna do this on another thing. I'm not gonna do it on this video, but another thing I'm gonna do some writing, which I might just write something on this paper. So this is the white whisper white. We're gonna see how I work the dot. Okay, so with the dotting, it's okay, but to me, it comes out a little more bigger. That's okay. I'm just mainly a swatch video. It comes out a little more bigger than the hole looks to me. I would think it would come out a little more thinner. Let me see something. I mean, y'all might can't see this, but I'm trying to see it on white. Okay, so U-N-I-T-Y. Maybe the wood's is making it look a little thicker. I'm going to try this on another surface, y'all. I want to see how we're going on another surface. But with the wood, it's kind of expanding. So maybe it does. Because when I did it here, you see how it's a little more thinner. So the wood, just by doing this, I feel like it should be primed before you use it. So it won't expand so much. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up. Because right there is a little more thinner. If y'all could see that. I know it's white, but y'all still should be able to see that. It still do it. It still make it a little fatter, but it's still what the paper is a little more thinner. The lines are a little more thinner. All right. So the next one is Babbling Brook. This is a pretty color. I gotta shake it a little bit. I did feel that one when I shaked it. So I'm gonna go right here and put a dot there. Yes. I'm trying to see if I could do it a little. I'm not pushing hard. That's pretty, that color. Is, yeah, the, different surfaces. Now I can say on paper, it's a little more thinner. On a wood, it is expanding. If y'all can see that. So I'm gonna try this with a primer and see how it work on wood. I'm not gonna do it now, but I will do another video, and we're gonna, you know, when you're using products, you wanna figure them out. You wanna notice how they really work. That's why with triple thick, when I looked at my triple thick video, it got a lot of views, and over the years, it took me a minute to really learn triple thick, but I can work with it so good now. I don't have no issues with it now. Okay. So I know you can do the dotting thing with this. It probably will work really good on stone. It won't probably expand as much. I don't know. I just have to try it on different surfaces, y'all, to see how it will work. Now, one thing I can say, if you decide to like use this, you could get a pair of earrings done real quick. Yeah, and you can intertwine this with, like, you could paint the whole surface with just a regular folk art paint or any type of paint you got, and just go in. So I'm gonna work with it. And these are cute. And then I'm gonna get the other colors. It's not that I don't like it. I just wanna, like I say, it's expanded. And it's weird because it kind of reminds me of a puffy paint, but I gotta see how it dry. Let me see how it works if I did like a fake mud cloth look. It worked fine. So you could do some quick little mud cloth earrings. Okay. I like it. But I just want to work with it a little bit more. I want to work with it a little bit more. So let me go in and add some more color to the wood, or I could just leave it like this and add a little more red over here. I'll probably leave that wood. Give it a little dot right there. Dot right there. I'm just trying to see how this. So I'm just going to let this dry. These pretty cute. I got to push that hole back in. Now the colors is popping. I might go in with some gold or something. I don't know. So I'm going to let this dry, y'all. But right now, as of, I like it. Like I say, it expanded. It expanded on wood. Kind of reminds you of like a paint marker on wood. If you don't prime it. I like this. And I'm not just saying that because I'm a Plan Brad ambassador. I'm going to be 100 with the product. So I will put the link to this in the description box. If you go to plaidonline.com, you could use, if you haven't used the code Khadija123, you get 15% off. Been having a lot of sales lately, and you might get it cheaper. But if it's not in stock on Plaid, I'm going to find it on Amazon and I'm going to link it down. This is a go for me, y'all. I'm get the other colors. I did see, like I said, I seen purple. From what I can remember, I seen purple, pink, and I think black. This is a go for me. I like it. Y'all see the swatches. Like a little art. It's cute. Like it. I really like it. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it with just dots. Because with this design, you suppose they can make these dots small, little, large. I want to mess with it a little bit more. And then this is a different type of wood than I usually use. So I want to try it on another texture of wood and see how it works. So like I said, when you using products and they new to you, because this products I be like, I don't like. And then I go back to it and I like it. So, yeah. I like these. We gonna see how they dry. And then, like I say, I'm probably gonna do a few more videos. I say probably, I know 2 more for sure. Because I know I'm going to get some other colors. But I just want to see how it works a little better. But these right here cute. Y'all should see the finished result at the end of this video. But yeah, these cute. Alright, fam. Thank you for watching this video. Like I say, the links to the FolkArt dots will be in the description box. Don't forget to pick up litter in your community. Leave a beautiful comment. Respect those that respect you. Adopt a pet from your local rescue or shelter. Also, donate to this channel, y'all. Y'all can donate as low as $1, as high as you want. The links to my PayPal and my Cash App is in the description box. If you just want to donate with the thanks. It's a thanks button. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for all y'all support. And I will see y'all in my next video. Salam, salam. Okay. So these are the finished earrings. I did gloss it. I beaded it. I could put some cute little African beads. That's a real turquoise bead. I got sterling silver hooks on there. And this I did my back. I can't even remember which paint I used on the back. But I know I can't remember the foundation paint, but I know this right here is a gold that I like to use. And then I did go in and put some gold little lines right in there, if y'all can see that. But I'm gonna tell y'all, it does expand. Y'all see how this expanded? But I like the way it connected. And the finish was glossy, y'all. It was glossy. So I'm gonna mess around with it. So these are the swatch earrings. The DIY that y'all can try if y'all would like. And I want to see how would it be different with working with a different foundation or another wood foundation but prime it. I want to see does it do something different. And then I want to do the dots because these expanded when I put those dips on it. Maybe I need to shake it up. I just got to mess with it. And that's the thing about art, y'all. Y'all just keep messing with it. You'll be surprised what you can do because the product you're using is going to make your artwork. And also, the number one thing is the energy that you put into your work. So I just want to show y'all these. Salam, salam.